my god! Holy crap! Ah! There's so much snow! Oh my goodness, look! It's falling!
We have no power!
We have no power. We're gonna freeze later. Oh my goodness!
God, look how beautiful that is!
That's amazing! Oh!
The tree?
Oh! It all kind of fell.
These trees aren't used to the weight of snow.
I think I should change.
Don't change!
Wait, because I got all snow inside of my shirt. But look, go outside.
That's what happens.
I know, but Steven, we have to build a snowman. Oh my god, what do I wear? Steven, we have to build a snowman. Oh my god, what do I wear? Steven, we have to build a snowman. Oh my god, what do I wear?
Tell us what's happening, Sabrina.
Well, it started snowing in Athens, Georgia, and recently one of the tree branches fell over that house and it took down the power, so we don't have any power in the house right now. And I hear things crackling and falling, but for me it's really fun and it's beautiful. You can see this beautiful tree, looks gorgeous. But I think that things are not going to be as fun at night when we try to go to sleep and it's freezing in the house. And then we have to get pony horse.
We get as many blankets as we can.
Okay. Steven, don't tell me what to do because I've never seen snowfall.
I've never had power outage in the winter that I remember before, but we'll just try to be as warm as we can. The power outage.
Anyway, so let's have fun while it lasts.
Absolutely. Here, take some video. It's on. The video's on. Just be careful not to get it wet.
There's the power line. And there's the tree. Came from there. And that's our street on Rock Springs.
And this is like a million times more snow than we got last year. The first time we've ever seen it snow in Athens.
This is really unique and exciting. And there are my footprints. And I know this sounds silly, but I didn't realize that snow would be like ice, or would be like rain. Duh. And it got in my shirt and I was like, it's freezing. Oh. Also, so we don't have snow tires? Oh,
we probably don't. No.
Traction?
We don't have a shovel.
We don't have a shovel?
Well, we have a shovel for digging.
Ooh.
We can use that.
Look at this jerk going so fast.
This is going
way too fast. Jerk face. And that car's stuck.
Now he's spinning out.
Ooh, he's spinning out of control. And there's things falling. I hear them crackling.
Should I help him push?
No, you can't help him push.
They got it.
And I hear more crackling.
You should just park right there.
So this become from fun to somewhat dangerous and scary.
Show my car.
Yay!
Our car looks.
Whoop. And our car has snow on it. We were gonna go to get my some stuff from Target, and then we're like, wait a minute, it's snowing! And this car's going out of control.
Do it again.
Ooh, they're kind of stuck. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I can help him push a little bit.
No, because if you help them... Ooh! Big piece of snow fell on the car. Could snow break a window?
It shouldn't. I guess you just park it right there. Just stop it and put your brake on.
Yeah.
It is March 1st, 2009 in Athens, Georgia. This is the scene at 245 North Rock Springs. Got a power line that came down because some branches from the tree across the street came down. We haven't had power even though some friends a half a block away do have power. This is Sabrina. She's eating an orange and listening to the radio. She's a native of Miami, Florida. This is a freakish occurrence for her.
Freakish!
She might as well be dreaming.
I'm dreaming.
Of a white
March.
Here's our car with a lot of snow on it that's fallen from the roof. That's not our total accumulation. That's just a lot of that's extra that's come from the roof, our tin roof that's been falling, losing snow. It's quite exciting. But we haven't had power for an hour, which is the unexciting part of the whole story. Let's go look at Darius's house and see what things look like over here. We still have daylight for now, but once daylight leaves us, then it'll become much more uncertain. Because we are not sure when we are going to get power back. People keep walking on the streets and smiling and laughing, but the power situation in the trees is the scariest part. What do you have to say, Sabrina?
Well, I was very, very excited when I first saw it outside, and I couldn't believe it. It was like a dream, a miracle. But now that we don't have any light, and we can go outside to get pizza, then I think maybe this isn't as fun as I thought originally.
Maybe this sucks.
Maybe. I don't think it sucks, but there's definitely some limitations to snow. Also, we don't have snow tires.
Right.
Chains.
I doubt it. No.
Yeah, and the roads look slick. So, yeah. But if you have this view here that I have, it's beautiful. It feels like I'm in a different state.
You're in a little snowball. Snow globe.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
We got some candles. We got some flashlights.
Yeah.
We got some friends. We got some friends. And we have some friends that a block away that we
they
can
have power, so we can go there if we get scared.
Scared and cold.
Cold! Yeah, we can't even go visit our other friends that live not that far.
That'd be too far away.
It would be too far away for us to walk because I don't have snowshoes or anything.
Yeah. And maybe even going over there might not be a good idea because we can't bring Pony Horse with those dogs.
No, we can't bring Pony Horse. Pony Horse is okay. He's over there.
Yeah, he doesn't even know what's happening.
Do you know that it's snowing, Pony Horse? Yes, I do!
It's so dark. Sorry this video is dark. It's not my fault. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
For now.
For now.
Snow, snow.
Snow, snow.
Like, whoa, look at all this snow. Just a little while ago, we could come out of the back door, but this snow is falling from the roof, and we'll have to make it move in order to get out of here. It might just be best to go out the front door until all this melts, because the front door has the covered porch, but the backyard is extra beautiful because there's no tire tracks from cars driving around, and there's no power lines back here. This is just perfect nature. I never thought I would see it snow this much in Athens. We saw it snow just a tiny bit last year and we were freaking out, but this is what we got, March 1st, 2009. That's why you take it one day at a time in this life. Bye, y'all. Peace.